All right, today we're going to talk about how to do your last assignment for this marking period, your last assignment for the whole semester, Blackout Poetry. So this is going to be your last daily grade, and I know on the screen it says you're going to have today and tomorrow to finish your work, but in reality you're going to have Thursday and Friday to finish this assignment. So what is Blackout Poetry? It is created by taking a written piece of text from a book, newspaper, or magazine, and then redacting or obscuring the words in order to express your very own poem. How do you begin? Start with a page of text and you create the rest. Circle the words you find significant or interesting. Form a message or thought with the circled words. You can do this by writing them down on scratch paper to play with the order and make sure you like how the message is sounding. And then you're going to remove the other words by covering them with color or art. Make sure you choose your words carefully and think of an image that will match the mood of your poem and evoke a strong emotion in your audience. Your objective is to create a new text from an existing text by identifying keywords that form a new idea or text and eliminating all of the remaining words. So here are your instructions. Take the paper version of the text and circle important words or phrases to illuminate some kind of larger idea, message, or theme. Your poem must reflect the theme of love and loss that we've been studying this marking period. For the poem requirements, your poem must be at least 15 words, and you must black out the rest of the page using color. You must employ one or more poetic devices like rhyme, figurative language, alliteration, etc. Here are some examples. You can see in this one over here, they have just blacked out the words behind the text. This one uses grayscale and shading around the words that they want us to focus on, as well as a background image here. Over here, this one has a subtle shading here to produce a cloud, and then the poem is about rain, and then over the word umbrella, they have created the shape of an umbrella with a negative space. These examples get even more intentional in the way that they design the negative space to illustrate the words. You could use color if you wanted to. You could make your message express a thought or an idea or a feeling. But either way, you want to make your words prominent and easy to focus on. So here's your rubric. If you're shooting for an A, that's this column over here. The poem makes sense and is relevant to the topic of love and or loss. It has 15 words or more and uses at least one meaningful poetic device, such as figurative language, rhythm, rhyme, alliteration, etc. The words included in the poem are clearly visible. The blacked out parts of the text are thoroughly covered by color or an intentional design. If you want to know how to get a B or a C, you can read those columns on your own. I'm also going to be posting this slide deck in Schoology, so you can access it again whenever you need to at your own pace.